67% of businesses say their revenue took a hit from underperforming websites. That is not a small dip. That is lost leads, lost trust, and lost sales. Curtis Priest, CEO of PixelCarve, said it clearly. A high-performing website isn't a one-time project. It's a living, breathing part of your business. Yet many companies treat their site like a launch checklist item and move on. Website maintenance cost depends on your site type, your traffic, your integrations, and your technology stack. A 5-page blog might cost around $20 a month. A corporate site with complex integrations and heavy traffic can reach $1,000 a month or more. E-commerce sites often sit even higher because they manage payments, inventory, and higher security needs. Those costs usually break down into clear parts. You pay for your domain and hosting. You invest in SSL, email, CMS updates, plugins, and backups. You may also budget for design improvements, performance tuning, security monitoring, and SEO. Managing maintenance yourself keeps fees low, but it takes time and technical skill. Mistakes can reduce speed, hurt rankings, or take your site offline. Professional support costs more each month, yet it gives you monitoring, proactive fixes, and accountability. The biggest mistake is thinking maintenance is optional. Small sites still face hacking attempts. Free tools still require oversight. Waiting until something breaks often costs 2 or 3 times more than steady upkeep. If you want practical budgeting advice and a breakdown by website type, read the full article on our website. Add this to your playlist so you can come back to it when you review your digital budget.